One short tutorial here today on using sender ID or the sender name feature to brand your text messages with your company name. So as you can see here, the company name comes through in the text message as the header, not a mobile phone number. Many benefits through in this. Obviously, it's instantly recognizable from your company. It improves brand awareness. It's been proven to increase open rates, and it's also GDPR compliant with our customized opt-out feature. So I'll just show you how to use this when you're in the system. So this is the send SMS screen, and when you're sending out your messages, you'll see a drop down here with the sender names that you have set up for your account. You can add sender names in here, messaging sender names. You can add as many of these as you wish, and it's useful sometimes when you're segmenting your customer base and you're sending out messages with different sender names to the different segments of your customer base. So basically, you send out the message with the sender name by choosing whichever sender name you wish from here, and you type in your content there and you send the message, and it arrives at the phone then with your company name. So you have in effect branded the SMS to your company name. Again, it means it's instantly recognizable. So that's a very short tutorial on how to do that. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us at any time. Thank you.